In today's video, I will walk you through how to change chart types in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend on your device and access the main interface where advanced charting tools are available. From there, select the stock you want to analyze. And in this example, choose Apple. Once the stock page loads, you will see the chart displayed on the screen with all the price movement data. Now look to the right side of the chart and locate the three dots icon. Then click it to open additional options. From the menu, select Chart Types to view the available chart display styles for that stock. Inside this section, you will see different chart type options, and you can click any one of them to apply it immediately. The chart will update right away, so you can compare how each style presents the same market data. You can switch between chart types as often as needed to find the view that works best for your analysis. Once you select a chart type, it will stay applied to that stock until you decide to change it again. If you move to another stock, go back to your stock selection and repeat the same process. Open the new stock chart, click the three dots icon again, and go back into chart types. Then choose a different chart style from the list to update the display for that stock. Each stock can have its own chart type, so you can customize each one individually depending on your preference. After making your selection, the chart remains updated on screen for continued analysis. If you want to change it again, return to the three dots menu, open Chart Types, and select another option to instantly update the view.